Looking to upgrade your home with gadgets everyone can't stop talking about? These crazy Amazon home finds are clever, fun, and perfect for making everyday life easier. From smart tools to unique essentials, they're must-haves for any home. All links are in the description below. Add a sprinkle of fun to any room. This donut-shaped throw pillow is soft, squishy, and perfect for lounging on the couch, floor, or chair. Made with a plush polyester shell and cozy cotton filling, it feels gentle against your skin. The vivid 3D printed design looks so real, you might just want to take a bite! With no zippers to worry about, the solid stitching keeps the pillow durable while adding a playful pop of color to your space. Your morning's just leveled up. This smart coffee maker gives you cafe-quality brews right on your countertop. Whether you're making 1 cup or 10, you can set the strength, temperature, and flavor exactly how you like it. Control it with your phone or even your voice, so coffee is ready before you even walk into the kitchen. With auto brew and easy clean filters, every cup feels effortless and always tastes amazing. Tired of sore necks and awkward naps while traveling? This inflatable travel pillow is designed at a 45 degrees angle for natural head and neck support, so you can finally rest comfortably on planes, trains, or even at your desk. It inflates in seconds, deflates just as fast, and packs away easily for stress-free travel. With soft, durable fabric and arm support built in, it's like bringing a mini nap station wherever you go. Imagine a lawn that takes care of itself. This smart mower roams your yard on its own, trimming up to 3/4 of an acre with precision. Its vision system and path planning keep it on track, while dual floating blades adjust to uneven ground for an even cut. Rain in the forecast? It heads back to recharge all by itself. Quiet, efficient, and fully app-controlled. It's like having a gardener on autopilot. Summer relaxation just got bigger and better. This oversized inflatable bed is soft, sturdy, and strong enough to hold up to 3 adults at once. Use it any way you like: tanning lounger, pool float, beach recliner, or even a giant backyard chill spot. A removable backrest and built-in cup holders keep you comfy while you soak up the sun. And when the party starts, hook up the water spray at the tail for a 60-inch fountain of fun that takes your pool day to the next level. It's not just a coffee table, it's a multitasking hero for your living room. The top lifts up and forward to create a comfy spot for working, snacking, or tackling bills. Hidden storage underneath keeps blankets, remotes, and games out of sight. Plus, the open shelves below are perfect for decor or books. With its rustic wood finish and industrial accents, it adds style and serious function to your space. Scrubbing the bathroom doesn't have to break your back. This cordless spin scrubber does the heavy work for you. With a push of a button, it powers through grime at 2 speeds. 8 interchangeable brush heads tackle tubs, tiles, corners, and even car detailing. The adjustable handle reaches high spots and tight spaces. No bending, no kneeling. Waterproof, rechargeable, and ready to make cleaning almost fun. No wires, no hassle, just light exactly where you need it. These cordless wall lights snap on with magnets and rotate 360 degrees, so you can aim the glow in any direction. Use the remote, or just tap to switch between cozy, warm, soft, neutral, or bright white light. They're dimmable too, making them perfect for bedtime reads or work from bed days. And with built-in rechargeable batteries, you won't be hunting for plugs anytime soon. Windy day? No problem. This electric arc lighter doesn't use a flame, it creates a tiny plasma beam that lights candles, grills, or campfires without ever blowing out. Just flip the safety lock, press the button, and you're good to go. It's rechargeable by USB, shows you the battery level with LED lights, and even auto shuts off after 7 seconds. Compact, sleek, and built with safety in mind. Need tape, but only have one hand free? This clever dispenser's got you covered. Just press the lever, and it auto-feeds and cuts the tape. No batteries, no scissors, no hassle. The hidden blade stays safely out of reach, so even kids can use it. Perfect for wrapping, packing, or classroom crafts. Lightweight, portable, and way faster than fumbling with a roll. Summer nights are better without the buzz. This rechargeable repeller creates a 20-foot protection zone that keeps mosquitoes away without sprays, scents, or smoke. Just press a button, and within 15 minutes, you've got a shield that lasts for hours. No sticky lotions, no open flames, and it's safe around people and pets. Perfect for patios, camping trips, or backyard dinners where bugs usually crash the party. Who needs harsh chemicals when you've got steam power in your hands? This portable cleaner blasts away grime, grease, and stubborn dirt with nothing but hot steam. It heats up in minutes and gives you continuous cleaning without the mess. Use it on grout, windows, tiles, or even fabrics. It comes with 10 handy tools for every job. Safe, powerful, and perfect for a deep clean anywhere in your home. Even trash cans are getting smarter. This slim, motion sensor bin opens automatically with just a wave of your hand. No touching, no hassle. It's splash-proof, seals in odors, and won't randomly pop open thanks to its delay-sensing tech. The sleek design fits perfectly in tight bathroom corners or under desks. Plus, the built-in liner ring keeps bags neat and hidden, so it always looks tidy. Picking out a tie shouldn't feel like rummaging through a drawer. This motorized tie rack rotates at the push of a button, giving you a smooth, organized view of up to 72 ties and 8 belts. It installs easily on rods or wire shelving, no tools needed, and even lights up with built-in LEDs, so you're never searching in the dark. It's sleek, compact, and makes mornings feel a little more put together. Looks like a regular mini fridge until you turn on the Bluetooth. This compact 31-liter fridge chills your drinks, snacks, and skincare while doubling as a speaker that streams music straight from your phone. Want even more? It supports an optional UVC sterilization add-on to keep things extra fresh. Great for bedrooms, dorms, or personal spaces. Think of this as a little rolling buddy that keeps an eye on your home. The camera streams in crisp 2.5K resolution even at night, so nothing escapes its view. You can talk through it, listen back, and even calm a barking pup with a pre-recorded message in your own voice. It zips smoothly around corners on wheels, reaching spots a fixed camera can't. Plus, it doubles as storage for pet snacks. Tired of sore wrists after hours at your desk? This adjustable armrest gives your arm a perfect place to relax while you work. It clamps easily onto your desk with no drilling needed. The arm support moves with you, so typing or gaming feels natural. You can adjust the height to match your comfort level. It's strong, sleek, and keeps your posture in check all day long. One outlet just isn't enough these days. This ultra-thin wall extender gives you 3, without the bulky mess. It swivels 180 degrees, so you can angle it just right and keep everything flush against the wall. Perfect for travel or tight spaces where every inch counts. Lightweight, foldable, and ready to power all your must-haves in one sleek move. Outlets don't just have to power your stuff, they can hold it too. This clever wall-mounted shelf replaces a standard outlet cover and instantly gives you a perch for gadgets. Phones, speakers, toothbrushes, razors. It supports them all up to 7 pounds. Built-in cord storage hides messy wires, keeping everything neat and safe from spills. Quick to install and simple to flip upside down, it's a tiny upgrade with big convenience. Say goodbye to cluttered corners and slippery bottles. This stick-on shower caddy is basically a lazy Susan for your bathroom. Each tier rotates smoothly so you can grab what you need without knocking things over. It sticks securely to flat walls with strong adhesive, no tools or drilling required. The height adjusts to fit tall bottles, and the built-in guardrails keep everything in place. Your garage deserves more than a plain roll-up. These bifold doors fold neatly to the sides, saving space while adding a custom, high-end look. You choose the wood, glass, and finishes, turning it into a design that fits your home perfectly. Strong hinges and smooth folding make opening and closing effortless. It's a statement piece that boosts curb appeal and makes your home stand out from the rest. Grabbing a hot skillet? Not today. These flexible silicone sleeves slide right over pot and pan handles to protect your hands from burns. They grip tight, resist slipping, and automatically adjust to fit all kinds of weird handle shapes. No tools, no guesswork. Just pull, wrap, and you're safe to sizzle. Easy to clean, easy to store, and a kitchen must-have if you've ever yelled "ouch" at dinner. Pet hair, crumbs, fuzz. This little roller grabs it all. The gel surface sticks to lint like magic, then rinses clean with just water. No refills, no waste, no mess. It's pocket-sized and travel-ready, perfect for freshening up clothes, bags, or car seats on the go. Whether you're dealing with dog fur or snack dust, this reusable roller makes cleanup quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. Changing sheets shouldn't feel like a full-body workout. This smart tool lifts the mattress just enough so you can tuck in corners, smooth out wrinkles, or swap out skirts without straining your back or smashing your fingers. The wedge slides in easily and holds the mattress up while you work. One hand free, one job done. It's simple, sturdy, and makes bed-making way less of a chore. This table rolls with you, literally. Designed in a smart C shape, it slides under your couch or bed so you can snack, scroll, or work without moving an inch. The top adjusts to 4 angles, whether you're reading, typing, or watching a show hands-free. Lockable wheels keep it stable, and the smooth rubber wood finish brings a natural touch to your space. It's compact, clever, and surprisingly versatile. Turn any spot into your personal office. This adjustable laptop stand rolls anywhere, bed, sofa, or desk, so you can work in total comfort. It tilts up to 70 degrees for the perfect viewing angle and adjusts from sitting to standing in seconds. The sturdy swing arm keeps your device secure while you write, stream, or game. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move, so your workspace goes where you do. Big mixers and blenders don't have to hog your counter. This clever lift hides heavy appliances inside your cabinet, then springs them up to counter height when you need them. A self-locking system keeps everything steady while you work. When you're done, just unlock and the shelf glides smoothly back down. Built from solid steel, it handles up to 45 pounds without breaking a sweat. Struggling with thinning hair? This high-tech comb uses gentle infrared lasers to wake up your hair follicles. It delivers light therapy right where it's needed while giving your scalp a relaxing 360 degrees massage. The result? Better circulation, less stress, and a boost for hair growth. It's fully waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower for a spa-like experience at home. Meet your new favorite piece of furniture, a chic Ottoman that's secretly a luxury foot massager. Slip your feet in and let deep tissue rollers, air compression, and soothing heat melt away stress. It's cordless, so you can relax anywhere, and the bold design adds a pop of style to your space. Comfort, elegance, and a spa-like experience, all in one beautiful Ottoman.